Alright, here we go. I'm about to head into Joshua Tree National Park. And I was just in there yesterday, but yesterday we didn't have any storms, and today is a different story. There's some little cells popping up here and there, and there's a big little cluster of cells coming up from the southeast right now into the park. I'm going to lose cell service in the park, so I won't be able to live tweet like I normally do. So I'm just going to document this little chase here today in Joshua Tree National Park. Here we are going into Joshua Tree National Park. Some rain showers in the distance. Always pose a threat for flash floods here. This is the entrance, the western entrance. I have an America the Beautiful pass, annual pass, so I can get right in. I just gotta flash on my badge. Maybe I should have been in that right lane. I think there's a way in. I just have to get my America the Beautiful pass out of here. Cut that out of their pass. It's stuck. Too many things in the wallet. There we go. You can see there's a little bit, some bases here, little cells. You can see the rain falling in the distance in the park. Joshua trees there. Alright, heading into the park here. Beautiful little rain shower right there. Falling down here. Joshua trees in the distance. I need to get my picture of the Joshua tree in the storm. This is Storm Chaser Aaron Jayjack, and I am in Yucca Valley, California, where we currently have a flash flood warning. A heavy rainstorm just passed to the northwest of the city. And you can see the dark cloud here, dark rain shaft. You can hear the rumbles of thunder. Been quite a bit of thunder rumbling. We've already got water flowing, rain flowing down this wash here, right down the center of this valley that Yucca Valley is in. And I'm waiting for a bigger flood from this big rain shaft that just came through. Waiting to see if a bigger flood comes rushing down this wash here. I'm gonna get the drone up here in a second, look up the river here, fly upstream, see if I can see it coming. Flash flood warning is in effect in this area and for areas to the southeast of here into Joshua Tree National Park. That whole park is flash flood warned now. I just drove through there and there's lots of water ponding up and flowing across the stream, or across the roads. They're pretty shallow right now, but turn around, don't drown. Flash flood watches up here in Southern California. For my radar, this is Storm Chaser Aaron Jayjack. We're here in Yucca Valley, California, just outside Joshua Tree National Park with this flash flood. Under flash flood warning. Washing down right down the center of the valley here. Storm passed to the northwest And that's the storm there. It just dumped all this rain that's now washing down the center of the valley. Look down the valley here. We got mountains on this side, mountains on this side. All this flow is going down here. You can see another little storm in the distance, a little rain shower in the distance with the rain shaft there. Leading edge is just a little bit down the wash now. Sudsy leading edge way down there. Just flew the drone over it. Here in another flash flood warning box in Hemet, California, right where the Fairview fire is, up in here somewhere, up in the mountains. Got a rain shaft coming down. Flash flood warnings for the burn scar. And I have seen some street flooding here in Hemet. Beautiful rain shaft, Hemet, California. Chasing flash floods.